Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable insights. Today, we're diving into the world of mutual funds and focusing on a key metric that investors often come across: net asset value, or NAV. So, what exactly is NAV and why is it important? Let's break it down. Net asset value, or NAV, is like the heartbeat of a mutual fund. It represents the per-unit market value of all the securities held by the fund, minus any liabilities, and then dividing that by the total number of units or shares in the mutual fund. Essentially, it gives you the value of one unit in the fund. In simpler terms, it's the price at which investors buy or sell units in the fund. But why does NAV matter? Well, it serves as an indicator of the fund's overall health. When you're buying or selling mutual fund units, you're doing so at the NAV price. If the NAV is high, it might suggest that the fund's investments have performed well. Conversely, a lower NAV could indicate a decline in the fund's performance. Now, here's an important thing to note: NAV can fluctuate. It's influenced by changes in the market value of the fund's holdings. So, if the market is doing well, the NAV might go up, and if there's a downturn, it could go down. This volatility is why some investors pay close attention to the NAV when deciding the right time to buy or sell. In conclusion, net asset value is a crucial metric for mutual fund investors. It reflects the value of each unit in the fund and can provide insights into its performance. Just remember, while NAV is a valuable tool, it's not the only factor to consider when making investment decisions. Always do your research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. That's it for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial insights. Investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. This video is only for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before making any decision.